How is your business responding to the rapid pace at which our world is changing, especially within the pharmaceutical and biotechnology manufacturing industries? Without a doubt, we have certainly seen some unprecedented challenges in the last year. Do you need guidance for addressing needs related to regulation and data integrity? At our upcoming APAC Regional Digital event for the life science industry, we will be discussing how data integrity is a critical topic within the life science industry, and what risks a business can be exposed to if you don't get it right. Additionally, we will touch on how Eurotherm contributes to helping businesses adhere to required compliance and also achieve high levels of trust for the data they create. Come and listen to industry experts, ask questions, hear your peers. Please join me at this digital event.